Hello, what's up guys? How are we doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide how to easily connect your Dexscreener to your Phantom wallet. You know, most people don't really know that you can connect your Dexscreener to your Phantom wallet and purchase coins instantly. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you that step-by-step guide, okay? So what you need to do when you fully log into your Dexscreener, just select the coins that you know that is going to perform well in the market, okay? When you click on it and it's selected, so what you need to do is just for you to focus on this sign right here, says trade / the name of the coins you are going to be trading, okay? So when you click on it, it's going to load up and open up to this page right here. So it's going to ask you, are you going to trade with Phantom wallet, or are you going to trade with browser, or you're going to trade with Sophie wallet? Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we are going to be making use of Phantom wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to be clicking on the Phantom wallet, so it's going to take me to my Phantom wallet so that I can proceed the trade instantly. Okay, so as you can see right now, it has fully taken us to the website where we can easily trade our coins easily. As you can see right here, it's very fast. Okay, so what you need to do, for mine, my wallet has fully connected, but yours is going to show you connect wallet. So what it simply means is that you are going to connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener automatically. For me, I have fully connected mine. That is the reason why you are seeing this soul balance right here, but yours is going to show 0.000 soul, okay, to show that you have not yet connected. Okay, so if you really want to buy coins, you just need to focus on this one here that says buy, but if you want to sell, you focus on this one here that says sell. Okay, so for example, now if I want to purchase this coin, I can just click on this sign right here. This sign simply means you want to use all the soul in your balance to purchase this coin. So if I click on that sign, you will see that I'm going to be having 8,343 Lucia of these coins. Okay, so if I want to sell right here, you can just click on sell, and if you want to sell, you can just still click on this sign right here, and it's going to give you the max of these coins. You are going to sell everything right here. Okay, so but if you don't want to buy it in max, you want to buy it bit by bit, you can purchase it with 0.1 soul, you can purchase it with 0.25 soul, or 0.5 soul, or 1 soul, or 2 soul, or even 5 soul. Okay, right here. So this is the simplest way to purchase coins as fast as possible. You know, meme coins is always spiking up. Okay, you can discover the coins between a second. The coins is going to spike up. Okay, before copying the contract address and head over to any website to trade your coins, the price might spike up. Okay, so this is the easiest way to easily trade coins without any hesitation. Okay, so if you find value in this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you for watching.